Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange Hot Defender. Special offer in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. This is a possible rewards Hot Defender. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started by tap the store button and tap the UCL group stage. And this one, Hot Defender Special Offer, daily limit 10 purchases. Tap it. So, this is a possible reward for you. This is part of Hot Defender. There are some legendary players, such as Paolo Maldini. He is part of Icon player. This player is one of the best footballer of all time, best Icon version. Paolo Maldini. This is a possible reward for you. Also, there is a goalkeeper, Lev Yassin, part of Icon player. And there is a Kieran Trippier. He's UCL Group Stage Live player also. So this is some of center back, full back, or wing back. And also there are goalkeeper here as a hot defender special offer. If you're lucky, you can get this player. But if you're not, there are guarantee rewards for you. This one, mixed version, contains 75 OVR UCL well USL player, best player, and coin. So you can exchange with the gems 1250. So do it wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well, click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.